Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Matus from the Office of Emergency Management, and we're here with Dr. Renteria from the Health Department. We're going to give you a quick COVID update and a few announcements on some upcoming events for the community. First one I would like to start off with is our Veterans Day event tomorrow. Breakfast will be at the Cultural Grounds at 7 a.m., a mass at 8 a.m., and then at 9 a.m. a wreath ceremony at the cemetery. Please, remind all your veterans, and let's remember our veterans tomorrow and honor their day. And remember, COVID is still with us, so we recommend anybody who's going to be at the event to please, if you feel comfortable, continue wearing your face mask, social distancing, and always, use hand sanitizer as well as often as you can. So that'll be tomorrow for Veterans Day. And then please be on the lookout for the 38th annual New Bosco Christmas Community Party. It will be Saturday, December 17th at Pueblo Park from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. There'll be Christmas gifts, activities, games, food, music, and a lot more. So please be on the lookout for additional information. And same thing with that Christmas party. We really want everybody to be safe. So please, if you can tolerate it, please wear your mask and try to remember that COVID is still with us, and we'd not like to see it spread any more than it already has. And those are my announcements for the day. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Buenas tardes. Dr. Renteria here with the Health Department. Just a brief COVID update. There are cases that are positive with the new variants, and there's another variant that's being identified, but it's not a serious threat at this time. What we're doing in the Health Department is monitoring cases that end up in the hospital or end up in the ICU or the coronary care unit as an indication of if things are getting very serious. So far that has not happened, and our numbers here mirror very much of Pima counties, but COVID has not gone away, so it's still an important risk for those folks that are elderly and have chronic conditions. So even though it doesn't cause a lot of symptoms, we're still recommending for those folks that have chronic conditions and are elderly, above 55, be careful. Always still wear a mask and maintain your social distance. And if you have any serious symptoms, cough, fever, get yourself tested. So there really isn't much more to say about that right now. We're not limiting anything in the tribe. We're still functioning as close to normal as possible. But the only other thing I want to mention is please get your flu vaccine. We have it here at the Health Department. Right now on Thursdays we have our vaccine clinic and the flu clinic. But if you can't come on Thursday, you can call the nursing department and make an appointment. The flu variant this year is a very aggressive one. The flu virus hits Australia and the other side of the world before it gets here. And reports coming out of Australia specifically are that it's very serious. Folks are ending up in the hospital, and it's a very significant problem for them right now. So get your flu shot. And if you're above 55, you get what's called a high dose one, and then under 55 is a different one. So just make sure you let them know what your age is so you get the appropriate vaccine. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Renteria. Okay, folks, that's a quick update for you this week. Like we say, please be safe, and thank you for tuning in. Bye-bye now.